Next up, we gotta make our own maze. But first, we need to find some supplies. Lots of emphasis on the fine part. Ooh, red paint. That's a good start. Looks like we need 2 more things. A plug. We're almost done. 1 more thing. Aha! A blank sheet of paper. Their powers combined make a printer. But the mixing fun isn't over yet. Throw things in and get something new. Like this cute toy ambulance. But it still needs something to drive on. Okay then, 1 road coming up. Place it where the ambulance can reach it. We're gonna need more turns. Of course, a maze needs dead ends. We reached our patient, but we still need something. Like scissors for all this twine. Look, Oaxis has got our next key. Our Sprunki friends look a little washed out. Don't worry, our emotion friends can help. They always make the world a colorful place. Now who could use a little disgust green? Here's looking at you, Oaxis. Next up is Joy's bright sunny yellow. I think this will suit you, Simon. Feeling blue? Sadness has got you covered. You just know cyan is sky's color. Flip them over to see how they look. Looking good. And so does this key. Ooh, clear. I think we found them all. Don't worry, Pinky. We'll get you out of there. Aw, it was all worth it just to see that smile again. Time for a Sprunki friend slumber party? Wait, there's no sleeping at a slumber party. Which means it's time to have some fun. Come on, let's wake the whole house up. Well, I did say the whole house. Okay, let's see what the damage is. Uh-oh, I knew we should have hired a night guy. Careful, the mirror never lies. Or does it? We did get it from that haunted funhouse. Well, you'll always be our breakout star. Don't worry, our Sprunki friends can help. Just need to whip up Sky's special recipe. Ah, glitter, our favorite secret ingredient. Now mix it up and spread on those zits. Let it sit. This stuff really needs to stick. Now all that gunk should peel right off. Still, we're just getting started. Now mix this stuff into your hair. Cover every last inch. Let it set and blow dry. Ooh, wow! Green really is your color. Be good to your hair and it will be good to you. Don't worry, your locks just want to have some fun. So hook it up with, and to, a cool toy. Now twist it up into a braid. Don't want to break up the set. Earrings. They're not just for ears. Next up, grab a candle. Really should blow it out. Soften it up with a quick dip. It's your new hair decoration. Pair it with flowers. Ooh, someone's excited. Careful where you jump. Oh, that is just disgusting. Such a waste of good chocolate spread. After all, we can put it to better use. Take a brush and add to some clear wrap. Draw out the face of your dreams. Try it on. Come on now, really get in there. Thank you, Simon. Now blend it in. Ah, nothing beats the natural look. Who's messing with the lights? Nosferatu? Hey, look, there's even more tiny footprints. That better not be our chocolate spread. No, it's Jevin's special paints. Grab a fork. Now you can give your eyes a cool pattern. And Simon's got some fake lashes for you. What a pretty shade of green, like your hair. Say it with your eyes, or lips. So try some of this special lipstick. You roll it on just like mascara. Of course, we want to keep the green theme. Simon, what are you up to now? Run as fast as you can, Simon. Careful, I don't think that box was empty. But it's okay. Simon's close. And Pinky's got an idea. Collect these little balls in a plate. Now cover them up with different paints. Let them plump up into little balls. Now they'll do what balls do best. Bounce. Got any old skirts? Well, it won't be plain for long. Uh-oh, that stain on your top is another story. Still, nothing an outfit change can't fix. Wait, do all your clothes have paint stains? Well, maybe it's time we cut things out. A heart? She wanted a snowman. But Pinky knows what to do. Add a little tie. And then a little dye. While we're at it, draw up a face. Untie it and see your new design. Ah, that's better. But there's still that hole. Simon's got you covered, always sharing his heart. Some pins will help keep it in place. Need a tissue? Oh, Pinky's gonna need a shower. And you need to clean that hand. Here's an idea. Take a pop tube and chop it up. Now they're the perfect fake nails. Each finger can have its own color. The Sprunki gang's got a new member. You're their brand new Veneria. Always knew this girl was all heart. Guess if you can't beat him, join him. What's wrong, Oren? Well, you sure got to the point.
Ouch!
These prickers seem pretty stuck in there. This looks like a job for our special extractor.
Cool!
But, oh, poor doll. Did your friends forget to dig you up? Well, how about we give you a good wash? I don't think water will be enough. Don't worry, Barbie's here to help. With some minty fresh toothpaste. Lather, rinse, guess repeating's optional. Now it's time for a full body makeover. Well, they say true beauty's on the inside. So, let's take a closer look, shall we? Hey, do you need a hand with anything? This brings new meaning to elbow grease. And let's foil. I mean, it's just so shiny. Now for some modeling clay around your torso. And you know we won't forget leg day. Just make sure it's all grafted together. See? Told you could use a hand. Now let's finish up those legs. And we wouldn't want your feet getting cold. But you know, you're looking a little pale. How about a little spray-on tan? Yeah, you could use a little color, like a bright red crimson paint job. Paired with some black accessories, like pants. Next up, carve out some squares and rectangles. Look, you can even poke them out. We can use them to make some 3D shapes.
Hey.
Now make a choice. Ooh, a ball. Could have had money. Would have bought a ball anyway. How about we break it in place? And we'll need to take a little off the top. Add a rim around it and a little pearl inside. Now drill some holes. Add some wires. And you've got a good head on your shoulders. Next, we'll need a balloon and a little light. They're going right inside this guy's chest. And a battery pack is going right on back. That head could use some paint too. Who says a little red eye's a bad thing? Next, break up some old clothespin clips. Do the same for a pen and combine them. Now paint it and add another light. They'll make for some cool new armbands. Next, let's make another block with buttons. Soon, our friend will have a brand new speaker system. Ooh, take an old light bulb and take off the bottom. Add the top of a bottle, a battery, and a few more touches. It kind of looks like a makeshift flashlight. But it's the perfect accessory for our new jetpack. I think it's time for the new unveiling. It's the Titan Speakerman, complete with all the accessories. Who says you can't teach an old doll some new tricks?